It's been raining for like 2 days. It's kind of cool out here. I'll flip the camera around here in a second and show you, but I had to make up a rain jacket for Yori because she really needed to go, but it is downpouring rain. I'm under a tree, which is the only reason why I'm like not drowning right now. But check out her new raincoat. It's actually James's raincoat. We don't have a puppy coat. She's freaking out. She smelled something. This is her raincoat. I mean, she doesn't hate it yet. Anyway, I'll show you the water this morning.
Hey.
You fall? You fall. I know. Weird.
Oh. I like it very.
Hi. I'm trying to bite me.
Oh.
If you can singe this enough to keep it from dragging. But the thing I'm having issues with, this is really long for the car.
Will the Velcro not get tight enough?
I've got the Velcro as tight as it will go. Maybe if I do a double. Oh, maybe I do a double. Yeah, let's do double. No sticker. So that'll stay. Doubt it.
It's okay, Boof Boof.
Boofers.
It's okay, Boof Boof.
Boofers in a raincoat.
To keep you from getting
Trying to keep her from getting wet.
Poor baby.
You're a good sport, baby girl. You're a good sport.
Okay, but we still gotta go potty poopy really quick for Mama, okay?
Yeah. Gotta go potty quickly.
Okay. I know. She just gets that ER.
Your mom, what are you
with
doing
this
here?
shit now.
Hopefully that'll stay.
Clip?
Yeah. Paul.
Poor baby.
We are as jerry rigged as it comes.
Okay.
Alright, let's try this. Good girl.
Hey. Raincoat girl.
Good girl.
Alright.
This is so cute.
Okay.
Alright, we're back.
Okay.
Here we go.
Go quick, baby. We usually love rain in the RV. We love rain in the rig. Because, I don't know, it sounds nice, it's cool. There's something about it. For me, it's kind of the treehouse thing. It's like we're in a treehouse with our friends. Except our treehouse has 2 bathrooms and a kitchen and purple mattress and a couch and TVs. But anyway. But days like today, first thing in the morning we have to let the puppies out. And we kept putting it off because it's been raining so hard. Where it's been 12 hours since they've been out and poor pups need to go. So poor little Bayou, who's this tall, with all of those puddles outside. Yeah, we had to just let him just out the door and potty. But as we love rainy days, except for when the rain never stops. And we're someplace like this, it's very wooded, and it's all basically mud and sand and leaves. So it's impossible to get around. And clearly the way this place is built, it's not good drainage, to say the least. But yeah. So it's pretty. It sounds nice. But yeah, the practicality of having 2 dogs when you live in a rig and it rains a lot, not great. Oh, here they come. Here we go.
Oh, you ready for us?
Oh, baby.
I know, it's so good.
Oh, Mom, hurry. Good girl, stand
Good
right
girl.
there.
Good girl.
Oh, you looked adorable.
She did good. She kept tripping on the sleeves are long.
Yeah.
So she kept tripping on the
Oh,
coming down, but they stayed on.
poor baby. If you want this one or the other one.
Girl, let me see your paws.
Hold on, baby. I know. No, good girl.
Okay.
Good girl, hold on.
Well, the good thing is, I think it worked. The parts that it covered. Hold on, sweetheart. Your paws
This-
caught it. No, don't bite me. Just those. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay.
Hold on, baby. Hold on a second, beautiful girl. Yes. Yeah, look how dry.
Dry.
Soaked.
Soaked.
Poor baby. Oh, good girl.
Yes. My baby. Daddy. We found a kitten.
Oh.
Yeah, there's like a, I don't know, kind of over by the clubhouse area. There's a weird, like, some benches. It looks like or have like a wedding there or something. I don't know. I know, honey. I know.
Her butt moves a lot now.
I know. Anyway, there's like a wood stage thing.
Yeah.
She starts freaking out and is sniffing under and just whining and crying. And then all of a sudden, like, I kind of pull her away and then I see a little kitten run out.
Oh.
And he was soaking wet. There's no way I was gonna get him though.
Yeah.
Not with her.
Yeah.
Just scare the cat away.
Okay. Can you get her clothes, Mom?
Okay, let's take her clothes off.
Good girl.
I think we need to get a puppy raincoat. What do you think? Puppy raincoat? Not a daddy raincoat?